조용되는데 사람 발이 완전 타고 돌아가. 우리 강사님 그냥 거북이 만지는 인간 때문에 화나셨어. 베리 스투피드. 여기 50마리? 60마리 있었다. 또 만져서 도망갔나봐요. 써있네. 만지지 말라고. 스투피드 피플이 만져가지고 화났잖아. 17시간 만에 끼니.
We are being located in the very north tip of it. Now, this area we call it El Fanadir North. Now, it's a very easy dive where you have a reef, a platform, and a drop-off. The drop-off here, it goes something like between 80 meters to 85 meters. We are not going to measure that unless if you would like to see the pink elephant when you are narcosis. So what we'll be doing will be just a normal classic dive nearby the reef. However, we can still visit nearby the drop-off. So actually there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 points of mooring. Usually we take that one. For what reason? For the reason of being nearby some small cave which we keep it in the end of the dive that we can visit it while we are doing safety stop the time we are doing that, or we can go a little bit deeper, which is actually that cavern opening is around like 7 meters, so we can finish it and go up there and finish the safety stop. The platform is not very wide, it's something around like between 15 to 25 meters, so we swim a little bit, we reach right there. Then you can decide if you go a little bit deeper, but we have our maximum limit. It depends on your level. So if you are open water diver, that's 18. If you are advanced or more, you can go for 30 meters maximum, unless if you have your specialty for deep diver. Everybody got that specialty? You left your home to swim. Okay. So maximum it goes according to the Egyptian regulations. That's 40 meters. More than that, we're not doing it. Actually, we prefer never doing any deep dives. When you reach your 120 bars, please remind me and tell me. Stop me and tell me 120 bars. For what reason? That is the time for me that I start to calculate going back at each depth. Alright, so we can extend a little bit the dive time as maximum as we can. So there is actually no limit for the maximum time. What we finish with the last 50 bars.
정답! 사막이 없어서.
바닥이 안 뜨고.
아니지, 이렇게 해야지.
뜨거.
아, 틀렸어요. 앵글이 틀렸습니다. 예. 끝났다. 내일 돌고래.
어디 앉아서 먹지? 구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정.
오케이.
스노클인가 봐. 돌고래 투어를 갈 건데? 사진으로는 다이빙도 하던데 우리는 그걸로 예약은 안 됐나 봐요. 네. 돌고래 보면 되지.